Hi PO5, today's story is all about ladybugs. It's called Ladybugs, Red, Fiery, and Bright by Mia Posada. And you can see that the letters up here make a pattern. They have the same two colors in the same order repeated. It's red, black, red, black, red, black, red, black. Just like the ladybug has red and black on its shell. We read the story The Grouchy Ladybug, and that was a fiction story, a made-up story that was a little bit silly about the crabby ladybug. But this one, it gives you a lot more information. It's more of a science book. Little round beetles with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers and pots. They are ladybugs. A crawling ladybug tickles your arm, but this little insect will cause you no harm. Ladybugs don't hurt you. They are busy searching for food to eat. Tiny green insects called aphids taste sweet. So here on the leaf there are some really small aphids that the ladybug wants to eat. A ladybug may flee in fear from a hungry bird landing near. Birds are predators for the ladybug. But eating a ladybug is a waste to birds. They have a terrible taste. Oh, maybe it won't eat any more of them since they're not too yummy. It has a terrible taste. When a female ladybug has eggs to be laid, she finds a safe place on a leaf in the shade. In 5 days, the yellow eggs will turn white. The hatching day is now within sight. Okay, there's all her yellow eggs, and they're going to turn white after 5 days. Tiny creatures climb out from the creamy white eggs. They have hairy gray bodies and long skinny legs. Is that what you expected the ladybug babies to look like? They are called larvae. Hungry larvae search for food right away. They can eat 100 aphids a day. 100 is quite a few aphids. A larva's skin cannot stretch, and since this is so, it must shed its old skin in order to grow. This is called molting. So it's molting its old skin onto the leaf. Its skin splits apart. The larva wiggles free. Its new larger skin fits more comfortably. When a ladybug larva is almost full grown, it attaches itself to a plant or a stone. It molts one last time. The skin it outgrew. When it emerges, it has become something new. Now it is a pupa. The pupa looks really different from those gray larvae that we saw. The pupa is covered by a tough orange skin. It hides the changes taking place within. Its worm-like body is rounding out. Its coat becomes smooth. Tiny wings sprout. In 5 days again, the pupa shell starts to crack. A beetle crawls out with no spots on its back. Starts to look a little bit more like the ladybug we recognize, but right now it has no spots. Soon, black spots come into sight. The yellow coat turns to red, fiery and bright. The new ladybug spreads its wings out to dry. A few hours pass, and then it's able to fly. So it doesn't even have to wait days, just a few hours. That would be like the amount of time that we're at school. Its spotted wing covers move off to the sides. It beats its wings, and away it glides. The new ladybugs with red coats and black spots crawl through gardens and trees and on flowers and pots. The life cycle of the ladybug starts all over again. And there are different kinds of ladybugs. Some of them are more yellow, some are more red and black like this. There's even some that look kind of gray. There's different species of ladybugs. Not all of them live near us though. And here you can see the head, the thorax, the abdomen, the antennae, the wings, and the insect's 6 legs. Hope you enjoyed this story.